In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about WordPress themes customization. We'll see step by step how to customize installed themes on your WordPress site. So let's get started. Inside the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance. Select this Customize option inside it. On the left, you have all your editing options. Choose Site Identity. You can insert logo from here. Edit the site title and tagline. Also, if you don't want to display them, you can hide them from here. You also have other display customization options below. Select your preferred setting. You can also insert a site icon from here. Customize your settings according to your convenience and then click on this Publish button to implement changes. Click on this Back button to exit this setting. Next is Color Settings. Click on it. First is Header Title Color, and you can select the color according to your choice. It will change just the color of header title, not the subheadings. Next, we have Background Color. This also you can choose accordingly, whichever you would prefer, or you can select Default by clicking on this Default button. Next is the header image. You can hide or insert a new image. Click on this Add New Image button. Select your preferred image from the media library. Click on this Select and Crop button. You can skip cropping or crop it according to the dimensions. And here, your new image is inserted. You can also randomize uploaded headers, and if you don't like the image, you can change it again. Next is Background Image. You can insert one through this Select Image button. Then we have Menus, Widgets, Homepage Settings, Front Page, and Theme options. Click on it. Then choose Layout. You can change your site layout from here. Choose which one looks great on your site. Exit from Layout and click on this Publish button. Refresh it, and now you can see all your changes have been implemented successfully. Again, on WordPress, close this Theme option. That's pretty much everything with the theme customization. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn everything about WordPress Themes Editor. See you in the next video tutorial.